Hi, Jay Andrews here at Laguna Tools. Today we're featuring the latest version of our PX12 planer. This has the new QuadTec cutterhead in it with some revisions that give you even better quality cuts than you had in the past. This little machine is perfect for small shops because it's heavy duty enough with big enough capacities for all kinds of projects, yet it's light enough to carry with you to the job site. Your PX12 will arrive on a pallet in a box, and you'll see that it's fairly completely assembled. It will already have the in-feed and out-feed tables pre-installed on the machine. There are a few parts to put on. You'll have the crank handle that sets the height of your board. There's a small T25 Torx wrench to go through and tighten that down with. You will also have to install the dust chute that goes on the back, and that takes a Phillips head screwdriver. There's a lot of great features on the PX12 planer. One of them is this handy gauge that's on the top that lets you quickly and accurately gauge your boards. I can see that this one is less than 1 inch, but it's larger than 3/4. So I'll take a pass and set it at 3/4. For precision repeated cuts, there's a quick setting scale on the side of the machine, and it has stops already preset for 5/32 of an inch, 1/4, 1/2 inch, and 3/4. This allows you to come up, set it on 1/2 inch, lower the table till it bumps the stop, and you're ready for the cut without even having to look at the scale. When you're setting the thickness for your workpiece, you'll use the thickness adjustment handle, and that raises and lowers the cutter head and the motor assembly. You'll find that on the front of the machine there's a scale that you can go through and set precise thicknesses there. You can also go through and take finer cuts. Now each turn is a 1/16 of an inch, half a turn is a 32nd of course, and then there's a small scale on this wheel that can be calibrated. You can set it to the thickness of your wood and go through and dial it in for a 1/64 of an inch if you'd like to. And that way each small turn is going to be a 1/64th, 32nd, down to 128th of an inch. Once you have the thickness set with the thickness handle, lock it in place with a carriage lock. That locks the head in place, it squares the head, and it makes sure that it won't move when you're taking a cut. The PX12 will produce a lot of chips and shavings very quickly, and to handle those we've got a 4-inch dust port on the back. Today I've got the hose connected to our P-Flux dust collector, and that'll handle all the chips and shavings that we can produce. The PX12 is a great workhorse for your shop, and that's thanks to the capacity. It's got a full 6 inches of height, so if you want to run beams through here you can do that quite easily. And it's advertised with 12 inches, but you can put about 12.5 inches through there. There are some table guides that are on the side, and that's the limiting factor in terms of the maximum width that you can put through there. You can butt boards against it on either side. Now as you feed your stock through the machine and when the head is set at the right height, you'll see that there's a small tab underneath here and a scale, and this is the removal scale. This will be your final thickness, and this will tell you how much you're taking off per pass when your board is going through. The nice thing about this planer is that you can feed these wide boards through here in big beams for big projects in your shop, or you can take it to the job site because it's 110 volt. The business end of the PX12 planer is the QuadTec cutterhead. This is an insert carbide style cutterhead. It has individual carbide knives that are all 4-sided. When the edges become dull, or if you chip an edge, you simply loosen the set screw in the middle, raise and rotate the knife, and put it right back in place. They self-index, they don't require a jig, and they're really easy to set up. Let's go ahead and run some wood through the planer here and show you how well it works. Today I've got this piece of Purple Heart, but before you start, make sure you get some safety glasses and some hearing protection going. can see just how good the quality of the cut is here coming off of the QuadTec cutter head. We ran some Padauk, some Purple Heart, some redwood, and even some pine off of one of our pallet pieces right here. This is a nice 4x4. The quality of cut is fantastic across the entire lot. If you want to find out more information on the PX12, you can go to our website at lagunatools.com, click on Classic Machines, click on Planers, and finally select the PX12. Thank you for choosing Laguna Tools.